Hi everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video. This time we got an FX Dreamline Tactical Compact in 22. Let's go! Okay, so let's open up the box and see how she looks. First up, your traditional FX Airguns owner's manual. And as you can see, I went a bit crazy with some necessary and some extra parts for the Dreamline Tactical. First up, the Dreamline Tactical Compact in 22. You also get I believe it's an 18 round magazine and a Foster fitting to fill it up. Then I also ordered a 600mm 22 caliber barrel because I want to shoot these guys. I ordered some scope rings, a 580cc carbon tank to go together with the 600mm barrel, and then because I believe it will be quite noisy, the compact, so I also ordered the Donnyfly Sumo to quiet everything down. Then the necessary part, a Hawk buttstock and the buffer tube to put it together. What else we got? I got some bits and pieces from Yuma. I have some replacement gauges that I'll be using, or I will make a video about it, how to replace them. Another magazine, some covers, and there should be also a regulator inside, but that's for a future upcoming video. Let's put everything to the side and have a look at the Dreamline Tactical Compact. Now, first thing I have to address is what you will get when you order your Dreamline Tactical Compact, and it will be shipped to you like you see it here. There is no buffer tube and there is no buttstock. I think it's a clever idea from FX Airguns, because everybody has a different taste, and you can add on any different kind of AR-15 mil-spec buttstock you like, and you can change out the grips with any AR-15 hand grips. I find it a clever way because they can reduce the price on the base model and you can add on whatever you like instead of getting something and then replacing it with something you like even more. So this is how it will come to you. Mine came with a folding adapter. I believe that all of them now are coming with the folding adapter. The early ones I think came without, but you can always add it extra or order it separately to complete it if you would like to have it. You also get an 18 round magazine in 22 and a Foster fitting to fill it up. In order to complete your gun, you will have to order yourself a buffer tube. And in my case, I ordered a Hawk AR-15 mil-spec buttstock. So let's put it together and see how she looks. Now, putting everything together is very simple because it's, after all, like some like to call it, the ultimate Lego gun. So you take your buffer tube and it screws in to the back of the folding stock adapter. You can of course also screw in the buffer tube straightly to the receiver without the folding adapter. Now line it up. and tighten the castle nut. If your buffer tube comes without the castle nut, FX designed it with a small set screw in the bottom that you can tighten, and your buffer tube will also stay in place and be locked. Then you take your buttstock, you slide it over, and as you can see, it's now locked. What you have to do is pull this lever down far enough and you can slide it over until it clicks. And now she's completed. Okay, so let's have a closer look and an overview of its features. Starting at the back, we have the Hogue buttstock, adjustable for length of pull. Right in front of it, you have your folding adapter to fold your gun in half, throw it in a backpack or something. Just in front of it, you have the famous and very smooth cocking lever. Right below it, you have your fire and safe selector. An AR-15 grip. You can swap it out with any other AR-15 grip that you like. Very famous match grade trigger from FX. We have the magazine slot, the regulator gauge, the air tank gauge, a 380mm barrel equipped with half UNF threads in front if you wish to add another moderator. Then we have an air tank. I think it's about, don't quote me on this, but 150 cc's. It has a check valve inside, so you can unscrew it, take it out, and carry maybe a spare one with you. Now the other side, you have your Foster connection to fill it up. Transfer port selector. When you change calibers, you can select the right caliber. And the hammer spring adjustment screw to fine tune it or drop the velocity if you need it. To top it all off, you have a Picatinny rail on the top and a Picatinny rail on the bottom to add a bipod or whatever you wish to add. And that's about it. Now for those who are wondering, just as I did, can I fit a carbon fiber tank to my Dreamline Tactical Compact? I'm sorry to say the answer is no. The reason herefore is that the shroud on the 380mm barrel is ever so slightly thicker than the shrouds on a 600mm barrel, therefore taking up a little bit more space and clearing not enough room to fit your carbon fiber tank. What I find is really a shame. It would be a very nice setup. FX, if you're listening, please hook me up with a 380mm barrel with a tin shroud and one of your 300cc carbon fiber tanks. That would be so awesome. Right, that's it for a quick unboxing and overlook of the FX Dreamline Tactical Compact. You can see it here again, fitted with a Donny FL Sumo at the front. Awesome gun, really looking forward to it, shooting it the coming days. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so we can grow. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.